Want to speak real Indonesian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at indonesianpod101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Windy Anggraini. Hai semua, saya Windy Anggraini. Welcome to the Indonesian Whiteboard Lessons. In this lesson, you'll learn how to give your occupation in Indonesian. Let's get started. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. First we have pelajar, student. Pelajar, pelajar. Next we have investor, investor. Investor, investor. Next, dokter, doctor, dokter, dokter. Next we have perawat, nurse, perawat, perawat. Next we have arsitek, architect, arsitek, arsitek. Next, pengusaha, business person, pengusaha, pengusaha. Next we have insinyur, engineer, insinyur, insinyur. And last we have guru, teacher, guru, guru. Now, let's look at the dialogue. When I read, I want you to pay attention to the occupation vocabularies. Find the occupation vocabulary and see how it's used in the dialogue. Apakah Anda pelajar? Are you a student? Bukan, saya bukan pelajar. Saya investor. No, I'm not a student. I'm an investor. Now, let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern will be the structure that all of our dialogues will follow. Saya, occupation. I'm, occupation. Apakah Anda is used for formal questioning, and it translates to, are you? Bukan is a negation word to express not or non. It is often used before the noun. Saya is a formal or polite way to say I. Indonesian people tend to address perawat or nurse as zuster. This term comes from a Dutch word for Catholic nuns, zuster, as Indonesian hospitals in the past were generally church-run, and a lot of nuns worked in the hospitals. Do you remember how to say student? Pelajar, pelajar. And how to say investor? Investor, investor. Do you remember how to say doctor? Dokter, dokter. And how to say nurse? Perawat, perawat. Do you remember how to say architect? Arsitek, arsitek. And how to say business person? Pengusaha, pengusaha. Do you remember how to say engineer? Insinyur. Insinyur. And how to say teacher? Guru. Guru. Do you remember how to say I'm an investor? Saya investor. Saya investor. And how to say, are you a student? Apakah Anda pelajar? Apakah Anda pelajar? Do you remember how to say, I'm not a student? Saya bukan pelajar. Saya bukan pelajar. In this lesson, you'll learn how to give your occupation in Indonesian. Thanks for watching. I'm Windy and I will see you on IndonesianPod101.com. Sampai bertemu lagi.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.